Understand what a permanent, a contract, and a temporary position is when you're applying for a position. A permanent position is a role which is going to be for a permanent amount of time. So you don't have a set period of time of what you're working for, you're permanently at the organization. Recruiters will advertise for permanent positions on behalf of the businesses they work with. So unless it's stated that it's with the agency, you're not applying to the agency. You're applying to a company which they partner and work with for recruitment. A fixed term contract is a role, as it says, it's for a fixed term on a contractual basis. We traditionally get fixed term contract roles between 6 months and 12 months. There's also limitations for work and holiday visas who are applying for positions. So if you see a 12-month fixed term role and you can only work for 6 months on a work and holiday visa, bear that in mind. And then we have temporary roles. Temporary positions are an assignment where you're working for the recruitment agency at another business. So your employer is the recruitment agency, although you're working off-site at another company. Temporary positions can last from 1 day and they can go all the way up to 12, 18 months plus, but they must have an end date. So if you hear that you're in a temporary position and it says ongoing, you are considered a permanent person. You're not a temp. So make sure if you're a temp, you have an end date. Additional to this, there is also temp to perm. Temp to perm means that you're a temporary worker for a set period of time from start to finish, and then you have a view to go permanent. That's not guaranteed. It's a temporary position with a view to go permanent. It's a little bit like you trying out the role before you actually commit to a permanent position. It's the same for the businesses who are looking to hire as well. So the next time you're applying for a position, understand what you're applying for and what it means in terms of temp, contract, temp to perm, or permanent. Hope this helps.